So, good evening everyone. Today, what I shall demonstrate, that is steam inhalation in this COVID condition. So, it is recommended that to make you proper healthy, it is recommended that you can inhale steam. Which make you healthy and away from COVID-19 virus. So this is very important, and this is also suggested by all doctors. So here I am going to demonstrate that how you can do it very easily in pressure cooker. So here I am using the induction stove. You can use it gas stove also. So make it in a height that you can inhale. You can inhale directly. So it is in my case, it is in a proper height. The induction stove is in the proper height so that I can take it directly. So make it sure. And then for gas oven, you just boil the boil the water with closing the lid without the whistle. And in case of then medium, then do the after the vapor is coming out from this vent tube, then you just make the flame medium and then inhale the steam. And in case of induction, place the pressure cooker first after pouring water and closing the lid without whistle, and then and start the induction with 1000 power. And when the water boils and steam running out from this vent tube, then make it to 800, and then if you can feel it more, then you can make it to 400 watt. So I am coming, and after, and I am waiting for the steam to come from the vent tube. Now I am coming. So make it clear. I have just given the whistle. So steam is coming steadily. Now what I will do, it is in induction stove in 1000 watt. Now I am reducing the power to 400 watt, and then I will take out the whistle, and then I will just inhale the steam. And when it will done, then you can stop the induction stove. It will be done. So I am giving the demonstration. So it's very convenient and it's very easy. So you can have it in your home, and it's very convenient. It will be better if you use induction cooker, as because in case of gas oven there will be a flame, so you can get heated with the flame. But in case of induction cooker, this is totally flame free, and this is cool cooking. No, so if you use induction cooker, you will get the best result. So you can, as you can see that I am taking the vapors, and it's very easy. So now the stove is in 400 watt. So if you don't have 400 watt, you just go 500 watt or 300 watt, and you will see the steady steam is coming. And if you find that there is more steam is coming, then you can have less watt settings. Okay, so it's in my case, the steam is coming steadily, and I can take it very conveniently and very properly. So here you can see that I have done the vapor inhalation, and it's very convenient for me, and it's very nice for me also. And you can try it properly. This is the demonstration. You just try it properly, and like my video and subscribe my channel. and if you have any comment, you just make the comment. And now I am going and I am switching off the induction stove as because I am done. So thank you. Namaskar.